Weather on the day of application directly determines how well Bifen or Talik penetrate surfaces and reach pests, so plan treatments around forecasted conditions. Both Bifen and Talik are residual pyrethroid formulations that rely on contact and residual transfer to control insects, so apply when surfaces are dry and temperatures are within the product label range to maximize deposit quality and reduce volatilization. Avoid spraying in direct midday heat above the label maximum because higher temperatures increase evaporation and can reduce residue life, and they may cause spray droplets to atomize or drift. Windy conditions spread droplets beyond the target area and increase inhalation risk, so select calm days with wind under the speed recommended on the label and spray with a low pressure setting and coarse nozzle to limit drift. Rain within 24 hours washes fresh residue away, rendering the application ineffective and wasting product. So do not treat if rain is likely within that window, and consider reapplying only after surfaces are dry and the label allows. For porous surfaces like wood or soil, allow more drying time before any predicted precipitation, and consider marginally higher coverage rates within label limits to ensure adequate residue. Always wear the personal protective equipment specified on the label and avoid treating when non-target people or pets are present to reduce exposure risks. Common problems are spraying before a rain event and losing efficacy. The corrective step is to wait until the forecast has been clear for at least 24 hours and then reapply if necessary. Another issue is applying during high heat or direct sun and getting shortened residual activity. Move treatments to early morning or late afternoon and use shaded surfaces when possible to improve longevity. Drift and off-target deposition happen on windy days and can expose bystanders or plants. Pause treatments until winds are calm and use coarse nozzles, lower pressure, and close-range applications to keep droplets on target. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like pest control, so we help people find local professionals and read peer experiences. We also host a discussion community where we and others share timing tips, local weather nuances, and hands-on advice that can improve DIY applications.